An urgent call this evening for state intervention in Central Village in St. Catherine, where ongoing violence is now said to be targeting the innocent. Residents who were too afraid to speak on camera made the call following 2 murders over a 24-hour period. The St. Catherine South Police were called to retrieve a headless body at Zion Hill Central Village this morning. The body of a man reportedly had bullet wounds. The severed head was found meters away from the body, and 20 spent shell casings were reportedly taken from the scene. The man's identity has not been released, but he's said to be a resident of the community. The incident is believed to be a reprisal act for a murder in the nearby community of Big Lane last night. Residents are appealing for frequent curfews and other state measures to help curb the rising crime in the area.
Soldier, anybody, go in there and search and get out all the gunmen with the weapon them. Them killing too much innocent people.
Our children them going to school back and forth. We need the Prime Minister to come out and come say something to us. This is our community. We need to take it back from the criminal them.